Good morning. Dave here. Coming up to you from the Gold Gym here in Austin, Texas, the southeast center. Just finished doing my cardio upstairs, and they don't allow cameras upstairs, but they don't say anything about putting it here. It's in the sauna. Well, pretty much sweating it off. Pretty much tired right now. I had had a wrong night at work, and now I'm just pretty much relaxing. I did my cardio upstairs. Walked 3.7 miles. It's okay. Now I'm just here relaxing in the sauna, getting my muscles toned down. They're still kind of achy. We all walk all the time, but the muscles start to ache on you, and so you gotta come in here and keep them muscles down, and you get them to relax. Anyway, how's everybody else doing in YouTube? I myself been a little bit busy at work with these recent rains and the hurricane in Florida and the tropical depression that came out in the Gulf, and it affected us here in Austin a bit. A wave of rain came over us, a little bit of high winds, but overall everything was fine. I'm gonna cut it off here for a little bit. Normally, if someone else comes in, I gotta tell them, or I gotta ask them, do you mind if you come out on YouTube? Because a lot of people are not very excited in coming out on YouTube. So right now I've got the room for myself. If you can see, you don't have to be looking at me. You could be looking around the room here. It's the sauna room. It's extremely hot, and that's another reason I need to turn this thing off, because in just a little bit my camera's gonna get hot, and the last thing I want is to have problems with this Gopro Fusion. So I'll get back on as soon as I get into the swimming pool and start doing my exercises. So from here on, we'll be signing off for now.